Guys, welcome to Selenium automation testing. In this video we are going to learn how to find element using the our fourth locator, which is link text. I have already covered how to find element using id, name and tag name, and in this video we are going to learn how to find element using the link text. So the link text in the sense okay, we are going to find this element, how search works. So the link meaning of the link text is the text of the particular link. So for this link, how can I understand this is the link? So when I mouse over on this link, my cursor is converted into hand icon. So it means this is the link. This is Gujarati keyword or whatever is converted into, when our cursor is converted into hand icon, that means this particular element is link. So for this link, the text is how search works. This is the text for the particular link. Okay, so we use this text, how search works, these three keywords, and by using these three keywords we are going to click on this how search works button, or we are able to say how search works link. So to find any element we need to use web element interface. So we use web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot link text. The link text is, I will copy, and then we are going to, after finding the element, we are going to click on the element. So we use element, sorry for the disturbance guys, element dot click method. Extremely sorry for the disturbance, sorry. Okay, so let's start with the finding the element. So let me inspect. So just I click on the element, click on inspect, and then copy the text of the link, which is okay, the text is this one, how search works. Just copy from here and paste inside the our coding, our script. So just paste and click on the save button. So we are going to find element by link text in the sense the text of the particular link. So the system will return this space also. So I will just copy and paste, don't change anything, don't remove any space. If it will throw some error, then we will remove the space, but first of all make it as it is, and then save and let me run. I call it inside the main method. So let me run this program. It will open our Chrome browser. For this example I used Chrome browser. So as you can see on the console, execution is started. It will open our Chrome and then launch our Google's homepage, and then click on the how search works. So let's compare our expected and actual result. So as you can see on the screen, our Chrome is launched. Now it will open our Google's homepage. Let's wait for few seconds only. Okay, so it opened each and every web page, and it doesn't click on the how search works. Okay, don't worry, let me minimize, and the error is okay, let me remove this space. Maybe this will create a problem because this text is not matched. Let me save again. Let me close this window and again run. See now it's work or not. How search works. So as you can see on the console, our Chrome is launched. Now it will open Google. First of all, it will launch complete web page and then click on the how search works. So as you can see on the screen, it clicked on the how search works. Okay, because we are finding our element using the text, and the text is how search works. Okay, so let me close this and everything is fine. So we are done with the our fourth locator also. Now we are going to use partial link text. Partial link text is same as a link text. Sometimes what happen when we create account, so sometimes system will suggest us, let me create one strong password for you, like this. Let me create one strong password for you. Okay, so if you consider this is the link, so if we use this method link text, so you need to write complete text. Let me create one strong password for you, and we don't have more time. We don't want to take some risk because maybe some mistake are there, so our script is disturbed. So for this long link, long sentence, we use partial link text. So we use only partial part from this link. So we use only let me create. We use only this keyword, and the remaining rest words will be ignored. So actually I don't have any practical website for this, so I will assume I will work on only this Google page. So now we are going to find our, okay, again this link. So for the word is how search, how search works. Okay, so we use partial link. We use only how search, copy, and remaining part will be ignored. Let me paste, let me save, and remaining are same. We are going to find our element using one major changes by dot partial link text. Okay, and we already provided partial link. The actual link is how search works. S is capital. Okay, how search works, and we use only partial keyword how search. We ignore our works keyword. Let me save and let me run once again. Now see it's work or not. If you get some long link text, as I inform you on a notepad, let me create one strong password for you. So we use only let me create partial text of the link. Okay, so Google is launched. Now see it, click on the okay, great. So as you can see here, it completely works. If you get any okay, so what we do, we are going to click on this this element also. Okay, let me create one more. Let me inspect this. I will give you one more example so it will be more clear for you. Now I will going to click on the organizing information. Let me inspect. I will use only partial keyword. I will use only organizing. So let me close this. Let me close this one also. So after clicking on the how search works, I will find one more example. Element is equal to driver dot find element by dot partial link text. In the link complete text is organizing information, but I will use only organizing and click on the element dot click method. So this is okay. Let me make this is the example of how search works. This is the example of link text, okay, and this is the example of partial link text, so it will more clear for you. Let me save and let me run. Okay, it will click on the how search works. It will find our how search works button based on the link text, and then it will click on the organizing. Our Chrome browser is launched. Now wait for the result. Google is running. Google is launched. It clicked on the how search works button. Okay, and it doesn't. Okay, yeah, so as you can see on the screen, it also clicked on the organizing information. So in this video I have covered both the example how to find element using link text and using partial link text. Link text is used when the text for the particular link is small, like this example how search works, but sometimes there are more than five words in the text. So for this we use partial link text. Both are works fine, both are works same. Only difference is if we use link text we need to provide complete text, and if we use partial link text then is it okay if you provide some partial text of the link. So I have covered this one also. So in my previous video I will cover this three remaining. Okay, so I hope guys you get some idea from this video. If you like this video then please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and extremely so sorry guys for the background disturbance, so sorry, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you guys, thank you.